Welcome to College Online. In this video tutorial I will tell you about move commands and quite a few commands. How to do move commands. I'll create a rectangle here before using the free command. I type in command here. RC enter, and here I made a rectangle. OK. Then after that we will enter by typing C as we have done tomorrow and click here. Then we can create a circle, and by typing L, we can draw the line command with help of line command. How do move commanders work? As we move, we know that we have to move an object from one place to another. Have to move. If we want to move it from our place, then what shortcuts will we use from the keyboard to move? The shortcut that we will use from the keyboard to move is to type M and enter. Then on the command line we will be asked to select the object that you select the object. Whenever you type a command, look in the command line collage to see what AutoCAD is saying to you in the command line. Whatever AutoCAD on the command line, you will get the suggestion. You have to perform from here in the same way as here. I have been told that select an object, let's suppose I have selected the subject. After selecting, it will tell me the option here. Object form and select objects because we selected an object. Now you will say that 2 or 4 lines have made this rectangle. Basically, these 4 lines are made into a single object with the help of inches, whom we will call Pauline. If you go to the future, then I have typed for free. After that I pass the enter. As soon as I clicked it, the pay option is showing me here. 1 object selected or 1 object found. So as soon as I do enterprise, I don't want to select any other object anymore. So as soon as I did it here, it is telling me here again. Within the move command, we are present in the specify base pound, i.e. any base point of the object you have selected. You specify it or tell us where you want to catch this subject. Which point is such that you will move the subject only after clicking the G spot. From the reference of that point, now for exam, I click here, then my mouse. With them, it will start happening exactly like this here. If it is attached, then as soon as we click here, I specified this pick point, here the base point specified. Now if I take my own anywhere, I can move this object. Do this move commando again. After typing, I will be asked on the command line to select the object, so here I select the object. By the way, after that I will press the enter button. Pick point specify me a pick point somewhere, let's suppose. When I click pick pound, then it becomes my pickup point. Now from here wherever I go with my mouse in any direction, it will move like this. You can also select more than one object. Sir, I have selected both of them. And here I clicked on the pick point for exam. OK, this is the way I have to type the subject or the next command to copy what to type from my keyboard for the copy command. After typing C and CO, we will do the enterprise as the copy shows us that if we have to take another copy of an object, then we will use a lot of commandos. Copy means that if we want to take another duplicate copy of an object, then type and enter. On the command line it is telling me that the object is selected, so see here I am now selecting the object. After selecting the object, as soon as I do the enterprise, you are telling me that the specific best point was that move command, and this is quite a command. Like I will click here, so from here I can move my object in any direction or anywhere I can click, then copies of this object will be made there. Alright, right? Another important option. The copy move command remained with me. When we move an object, do it and enter it, then as soon as I select it from here and then do enterprise and specify the point, now we want to move from this point to a direction so that we can do that too. That is, we can also specify the distance in which angle I have to go, or in which direction by moving my mouse pointer in any direction. OK, you can type the length. For example, I go towards negative, and if I type again here, then in this direction it will move to the gap of fit. Similarly, if I type and enter, select the object, enter it. The second way is that I will use the Shift at Rate command on the keyboard after specifying the pick point. After typing the rate from Shift, I will write here 000. Why I have written all 3 zeros? Do you understand because of this? Video I told you that 000 means that the value of x is the value of y and the value of z. If we have to move an object with just one, then here we will give only one value. If you just want to move y's, you will give only the value of wax, and similarly, if you want to move only in x, then you will give only the value of z-axis. So here we can move an object in virtually any direction, in any xyz direction or in dimensions. For example, I want to move it in minus axis, so we can also give minus value like here. I have earned 0, 0 work, 0 value type. Erase it from here. I type Shift Rate Access is the first value, so from minus 20 feet, I have to move 0 to 0, more in this I want to move it 0, then I have to enter. For example, if I pay the enterprise here, then this object will move to axis instead of z-axis and instead of wax, because here we have given the value of axis, so these two commands will be move command and copy command, such as in this video lecture we will read move and copy command in big next lecture.